this gorgeous beach.
This was worth $5.
Worth $5. Can't you believe that we paid $5 to be here, to go to this beach? Definitely worth it.
Hey, look at that seagull right there. Look, call Caesar over here.
Caesar, yeah.
Caesar.
So I'm going to tan and then go to the water, and I don't know what else we're gonna do, but we're gonna enjoy this a day off. Why would you do that?
I did not, Lord.
Why would you? You just swing. You just like freaking. I don't even know the word. You just threw a bunch of sand in my cup too. Oh my goodness. You just want me to die. And you only brought 2 cups, right?
No, there's one more extra.
Oh, okay. Anyways, we are about to eat finally. I'm gonna eat my Lunchables. I love Lunchables. I'm not a child. I just like to be one. One thing I hate about the beach is seagulls trying to eat my food. He's right next to you, bro.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, God.
You better go away before I beat you up. They better run.
Right next to me. Like, I didn't see him here. I was like, oh,
look at him run.
Yo, did you see how I took my hand? It was like,
Yo, there was this one bird that was right next to us. I was like, oh. He was like this close to us.
for me, Darlene Miranda. The Health Connector now offers paperless mail options. Learn more at www.
Presione el izquierdo.
Is it boiling? Yeah. I just burnt myself. Are you okay? Yeah. Not doing it in flip-flop. Oh my god, relatable. I can do it.
I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.